Hello, it's Cyndi Roberts, guiding you through gentle yoga on the back to relieve low back pain in under 12 minutes. These gentle stretches reduce swelling and fatigue in the legs, gently stretch open areas of the legs, low back, and hips, while bringing movement to ankle, knee, and hip joints. Please do not attempt if you are in second or third trimester of pregnancy, have disc disease, slip disc, or serious neck, back, hip, knee, or ankle injury, spondylolisthesis, spondylosis, high blood pressure, history of stroke or heart failure, glaucoma, or a detached retina. Please check out my other videos here on YouTube and visit yogawithcr.com for more insights. Much appreciation and gratitude for watching. Please share these videos with family, friends, and others that may benefit. Let's get started. From a comfortable seat, bring the feet out in front of you, feet flat, knees towards sky. Reach behind the back of the thighs, tuck the chin, and slowly roll onto the back, lifting feet up, hugging the knees into the chest. The arms can come behind the knees or on top of the knees. Okay, then soft shoulders, and feel free to rock a little from side to side or remain in stillness as you lengthen and release the low back. You can even feel free to softly roll the head from side to side. Gently coming to stillness, using an inhale, hug that right knee in. Okay, we'll interlace hands over the knee, soften shoulders. And if it's more comfortable, again, you can bring the hands behind the knee. And then again, soften shoulders. Left leg can stay bent or it can lengthen if you want a little more intensity. You can press out through the heel of the extended leg or even both feet, or just let the feet relax. And you're drawing this knee into the chest as you lengthen that leg, that opposite leg away. Using an inhale, we'll take some rolls with the ankle, even spread the toes. And gently slowing down the breath, releasing the jaw and releasing the face. Eyes can be open or eyes can be closed. And switching directions of that ankle. Drawing the ankle to stillness. Then maybe, again, pressing out through the heels, hugging that knee in a little bit more. Then we'll release that hug and start to circle the knee. So right hand circles right knee, left hand relaxes down, either on the earth or on left thigh, wherever it's most comfortable. Circles can be large or small. Just want the leg to be passive here, so the arm is doing all of the work. Okay, the leg releasing the low back and the back of the hip, then switching directions. Coming to stillness. And again, we'll hug that knee in. We'll bend left leg and we'll lengthen right leg towards sky. So I find it's more supportive with that left leg bent, but you can, again, feel free to keep that leg lengthened. Hands interlace behind the back of the thigh, reaching out through the heel, opening up the hamstring, and you want a soft bend in the knee to not hyperextend. Then more intensity, toes will work toward the forehead. Then we'll release, again, hug that knee in for a few soft breaths. Then we'll move right into back release pose. So the right ankle crosses left thigh, then right hand presses right knee away, flexing right foot. Okay, opening up the back of the hip. Then if you want more intensity, lift left foot off the ground, interlace the hands behind the thigh, using that leg to draw the foot in as the knee opens out. You can even lengthen left leg towards sky to open up that opposite hamstring a little bit more. Pressing out through the heels, flexing the feet to protect knee and ankle joints. Then releasing, again hugging that right knee in, maybe even lengthening left leg for a little more intensity. Then we'll draw right knee slightly to the right. Feet flexed or feet relaxed. And check in with the jaw and the muscles in the face, softening with every exhale. Then we'll come into a twist, stepping that right foot onto left thigh. Then left hand draws right knee to left. Right arm opens. You can even roll the head to gaze over that extended arm. If that bothers the neck at all, just keep the head at center. Coming back, hugging that knee in once more on an inhale, softening as you exhale. We'll release right leg and lengthen both legs down by your sides. Arms can rest down by your sides as well, or hands can come on belly. And just taking a few deep breaths here, noticing how the body feels. Maybe even noticing a difference in the two sides. Softly breathing in and gently emptying out. On your next inhale, we'll bend that left leg, bring the foot flat. As you exhale, hug the knee in. And again, hands interlace over, under the knee, soft shoulders, soft breaths. And either feet relaxed or flexing through that extended leg, the heel, and using an inhale to circle left ankle, even spread the toes. Then switch directions. And the whole time, not really timing your breath with these movements, but just lengthening the breath, being aware of your breath. Ankle to stillness. We'll come right into those hip circles. Left hand circles left knee. Right hand relaxes down. Circles as large or as small as they need to be. You want some control here, not going too fast. Okay, then we'll switch directions. And again, gentle, soft breaths. Soft jaw, soft face. Coming to stillness, hugging that knee in. We'll bend right leg, bring the foot flat. Then lengthen left leg towards sky, hands interlace behind the thigh, reaching out through the heel, opening up the hamstring, then maybe working the toes to the forehead for a little more intensity. And the leg doesn't have to be straight here. You can keep it as much of a bend in there as you need. Okay, then we'll release, hug that knee in. And we'll come into back release pose on the other side. Left ankle crosses right thigh. Left hand draws left knee away. And then for more intensity, lifting right foot off the earth. Hugging that knee in as you open left knee out. Okay, pressing out through the heels, especially that left foot, to protect the knee and ankle joints. Maybe lengthening right leg to open up the hamstring. Releasing very gently as you exhale. Inhale and hug left knee in. Then draw it slightly to the left. That right leg can even lengthen if you want a little more intensity, a little more stretch. Soft shoulders, soft breaths. Coming into our twist, left foot steps on right thigh. The right hand draws left knee to the right. Left arm lengthens. You can even roll the head if that feels okay for the neck. And the foot doesn't have to stay on the thigh. If it's more comfortable on the earth, feel free to bring it there. Coming back to center on an inhale, hugging knee in on exhale. And we'll bend that right leg, bring the foot flat, and hug both knees in. And again, feel free to take another gentle rock. Opening up hips, opening up low back. Whether in stillness or motion, taking another 2 or 3 deep breaths, then coming on to your most comfortable side. Okay, gently pressing up to seated, lengthening spine, hands at heart center. Breath in, soft breath out. Namaste.